She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't
Good morning, guys. Do you want to tell them where we're going?
I don't know what's this called. What's it called?
Why so bright? So we're going to the croissant play that we went to Monterey
For our anniversary.
for our anniversary day. Well, it's actually next week, but it's gonna be on Friday. So we're going in a week early.
Pretty.
Thank you. Need my makeup to last till tonight because we're going to my boyfriend and mom's birthday party. A little teddy. A little choco. Okay. So we have about 40 minutes to the place. Well, it's actually 30 minutes now. I want to show you what in my bag. 19. My bag.
Don't lie to the audience.
I'm not lying. I actually don't know. Brought my mini bag and also my little bag so I can put all my stuff in here that don't fit in this. Okay. Where should we start? First thing first, I have 1, 2, and 3 lipsticks. A little hand lotion. My digital camera. My mom brought here when she came. So I'm really excited to have it. I can have so many photos from my high school trip, so probably one day I will share those photos. My house key, Anchor battery charger, the portable one. Also got this thing. It's like a an octopus, the octo body, but this is a magnet, so it's not gonna stick on your case forever. Because I hate the feeling that you're really stuck here and you place this on a table. It's really hard to pick it up. Does it make sense?
No one's gonna start getting bumpy.
The road is not as good as before. So for the last item I want to show is this thing. It's like a mini tripod. It also have magnet that you can stick on the back of your phone. I think that's about it. I thought I would have more stuff to show, but that's everything. Arrived. So we asked the place. Last time
I
we
need a sandwich. I need a sandwich.
they have sandwich.
I don't know. But I might get a croissant and a sandwich. Like a nice turkey sandwich. Ooh. Chocolate milk. Ooh. I'm too taller. Yes, I couldn't have on my face.
So we here at now is 10:07. Last time we went at 7, like right. Wait, did we go at 7
No.
or 8?
7:30.
Last time
They
we
opened
went
at
at
6. We came at 7:30.
No, they opened at 7.
Yeah, we came like 30 minutes. Like we came literally right when they opened.
Yeah, we literally like came right at when they opened, so it wasn't this busy. We actually talked to the owner, and she was saying like, "Oh, it got really busy really quickly." But I was like, "It's a bakery, you know." But is that me to say? But anyway, they move us to this side of the building. 2 weeks. 72-layer lentils.
I don't even know what that is.
Ooh, they all look good. I don't know what to choose. But look at these buildings. Really cool.
Look at this in here. That's the NVIDIA building, one of the most largest computer chips manufacturers. It's right here, NVIDIA. They only do computers and chips for computers. So any Dell, Asus, Lenovo, Microsoft, all of them have it. Some phones that they might, collab with, but it's really rare. Other than that, it's mostly for computers.
Inside Out 2. So we at the movie. Guess what movie we watching? Look at the minion.
Alright, the Reese's.
Can I get the pepperoni pizza, please? Hey guys, it's a couple days later. The last clip is me returning from watching Inside Out 2. It was actually a really cool movie. I watched the first one and fell in love with the first one. So I highly recommend if you watched the first one already or watch the second one. I think even though you don't watch the first one, you can still watch the second part with fully understanding. As I was saying in the last clip, we went to my boyfriend's mom birthday party. It's just a intimate like family gathering, so I didn't feel much. We ate, we had a good time. We actually played badminton. It was such a hot day that day. I was sweating even though I wore that dress, and I played badminton. It was just a fun day, you know. However, it was so hot that day, so everyone just like tired from the heat. Today is actually her birthday, and I'm making strawberry shortcake cake. Oh. I already made the shortcake cake. It's like a cake, but in a shortcake form. I usually make her red velvet cupcake. She really likes my red velvet cupcake, but for the summer and for her birthday, I want to change it up a little bit. So I just found this recipe on TikTok, and I wanted to try. And it looked really simple. It's only had like a couple ingredients, and it doesn't require a mixer. Well, technically it does, just for the whipping cream part. But right now I'm sliding the strawberries so it can go on top of the cake. Look at my shirt, you guys. It's over the place. My camera died, so you guys see it's on my phone right now. But I think I make a little bit too much cream because I will have a little bit of extra here. But hey, better safe than sorry. So I'm gonna put the strawberry on top and decorate, and then that will be done. Ta-da! So this is the cake. Okay, it's a little bit heavy. This is the cake, and we're gonna go inside and surprise her.
Several days later.
We at Costco. They already have stuff for Halloween. Look. It's you with a little hot sauce. You're so cute. So soft too. The Subway? Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, it's like gum or mint.
Oh, little little ramen. They have crumble cereals.
I don't like big cookies. I like small ones. And out here with cereal. Oh man, I'm tired.
That's pretty cool.
Start. Or Max. I don't know what. Oh, whoa. Let's get this.
Oh yeah, we should get that.
Want to record? Ad. This video is sponsored. You know when you're sponsored, you gotta, say that you're sponsored.
Yes. Too bad nobody sponsored this video yet.
Me, bro. I'm paying for groceries.
Thanks, Andy. I will put up. Andy sponsored this portion of the video. Little Saigon cinnamon. I don't know what that is.
What does Saigon cinnamon mean? Oh, it is from
It's
Vietnam.
actually
Holy
Vietnam. Nice.
That's cool. Look, this is organic Saigon, man. Crazy.
have grilled for summer barbecue. Is $800. What you looking at? What's this? Beef oxtail. You want to eat this? I have short rib. $58.87. Peaches. Mom would love those cherries. And it's $7.99.
Không biết nữa. Nhưng mà không có mua.
This is what we bought. The speaker because it's my boyfriend's birthday. So bright. I got chicken bay. What Andy got? Pizza.
Wow, that's so nice. Hey, am I getting it? Should I get it? No, I'm not getting it.
The mic.
Dạ, mà tại cái mic nó nó
Wait, why so expensive?
nó không có curve vô được, nó cứng ngắc rồi hiểu không?
That's weird, man.
Cái này không có cong không á hiểu không? Còn này nó cong nè, you can move it, like you can bend it.
Hi guys, so we at Target looking for Andy gaming headset.
Now what price? Oh, $9.
No, here, look it up on Target app.
$9. Right here. What's the name? Barracuda X. $9 thì wired, mà không biết nó có bend được không? It's a thing.
Oh, he said avoid Turtle Beach.
Yeah, that's what I had. Tell them that ironically that's what I had. Oh, nó bend được. We'll just get
Did you use for a week, year?
Mấy năm rồi, từ lúc mới mua rồi.
Oh.
Đi vòng vòng coi. It doesn't say anything about Xbox.
Pretty sure it will.
It's just PC, Mac, and PlayStation. Well,
Oh, it's only for PC though, Andy.
I know, but Xbox, see, thường nó sẽ có cái này. Nó đang $150.
Put it back.
Wait, no, it's a Steel Series.
Where's the barcode? At the bottom. Oh, 178.
Bye. Let's go. I want it white though, so it'll match my
That.
Xbox.
Oh, that's $250. That's crazy.
Okay. What the are you listening to?
They have so many Minion toys. Unboxing time.
Unboxing time. How do I get this out? What the flip? What the Sigma?
Ooh. Show them, Andy. Show them.
Oh wow.
It look really nice.
I know, right? For $50, it's very nice.
Put it on.
No, I'm not putting it on. Oh wow. It does swivel. That's cool. Dude, it's like my Marshall headphones. They have like these things and another wire in the middle.
I know, just
It's the
like
same
back.
thing. That's cool. I have a bag too. Okay, let's go. And look, my Turtle Beach did not do this.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but